Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you guys believe it? I still can't. But anyways, welcome. So today I'll be doing something different but very special. So I will be showing you guys my favorite skincare products and my go-to makeup products. Nothing too intense, just what I cannot live without. Like these are like the top, let me count, 2, 4, 5, 10, 12 products that I cannot live without, okay? So my first one is the Avon resurfacing peel pads. So this is like a facial in a tub, guys, like legit a facial in a tub. So if you're feeling your skin is dull, looking a bit saggy, boring, you want that bit of a glow, that boost immediately, you know, without going for a facial, trust me, these pads are the ones. So they have a 10% glycolic acid, which is a resurfacing product. So it's an alpha hydroxy, okay. It is quite safe. I know a lot of people will worry that it's quite intense, that you need to go to a doctor for it, but no, I mean, they wouldn't put glycolic acid if it really was gonna make your skin sensitive. So this is really great. So they come in a pad like that. All right. So you just do gentle rotaries all over your face, underneath the eye, just a little bit. Crow's feet, mine are gone. I promise you, mine are gone. And then that's it. Your whole facial is done. And then what I've noticed they help with is these pores over here. Like mine used to be big. Like I used to have like a lot of pores. It just closes them up. This is like, I wish, actually, I'm actually gonna ask them to send me like 10 of these so I have like one everywhere, you know? Because I find sometimes if I've forgotten this at home, oh guys, my tongue. Then I stress and then I'm like, my skin. So yes, I'm actually gonna ask for more. But guys, please do get it. I think it retails for about 300 and something, but there's always a sale on the Avon website. So last time I checked, they were 300 and something. But it's really a great investment, I promise. My next go-to product is the skin plumping shots. I think I've gone through 5 of these. So these are like hydrating ampules. They're like really great boosters to have. Okay, you can see one is missing because I'm also just super obsessed with this product. So this is really very hydrating. You know, it has your hyaluronic acid, which just helps boost your skin's hydration levels. So in the directions it says like 1 ampule for every day, but I use this as and when I need to. Like it doesn't have to be used every day, because then I don't want, my skin is well hydrated. It's just for when I have like those long days on set, and the following day I'm wanting to go somewhere, and my skin is really feeling dehydrated. This is the girl for you, trust me. I can't remember the price for this, I really can't, but also not too expensive, guys. It's really a good product like this. And oh, by the way, this has collagen as well. I mean, who doesn't want a product to have collagen? So you don't have to just drink collagen, but you can just apply it as well. So it helps. Don't say I didn't tell you. You take out 1 ampule, all right, and then you just pop off the top there, and then you can apply it. But like guys, a drop really goes a long way. Like if I open one, it can last me like 7 days. I know the instructions, it says every ampule for every day, but you really want to use your product very sparingly, you know, so don't waste. Like you can really just use it for the whole month. And as I said, I don't remember how much it is, but I will put it down in the description box for you guys. But yes, it does plump out your skin. Like I think I put my mom on this the first time I got it, and her skin really looked amazing. So you can use it from any age really, like obviously above 20. I wouldn't suggest a 16-year-old to use anti-aging products or anything like that, but I think from like 2021, you are good to go. My next product that I'm absolutely obsessed with is the Avon Nude Glycolic oil in gel. So I just apply this, pop it on my skin, and then I'm good to go. Normally after the pads, okay, then I put this on, because I mean, glycolic and glycolic go together. So I wouldn't mix anything else with that, if I'm making sense. All right, so this is really also just very great to just smooth out any uneven skin tone. All right, so then what I like using, guys, I remember there was a time where I had, because I struggle a lot with like puffy eyes. So I wake up and I've got like bags that are like up to like here. So I popped this in the fridge, did a little bit of rotaries, within an hour like they were gone. So this is the collagen roller from Avon also. Can you guys tell I'm a bit obsessed with Avon? So you pop this in the fridge, just gentle rotaries, but I like using this under my eye bags because they really helps, and especially when it's cold. So I just freeze it, put it in the freezer, and then just, yeah, use it. But you can use it everywhere. I'm sure you guys have seen those videos. Lips, nose, eyes, you know, everywhere really. It just boosts your collagen. So obviously you'll have your serum, then you will use this after the serum so that it also just penetrates everything. Then my next go-to product is the Avon A-New Ultimate Day Cream. This has an SPF of 25. This is quite rich. This is super rich, so you might want to use just a little bit, you know. It is firming, it is also hydrating, so you don't want to use a lot. I use like a pea-sized doesn't even a lot, like a teeny bit, like just a little bit. Okay, then I'm ready. I mean, a moisturizer with an SPF, and it doesn't even give you like any flashbacks or anything. So that's even great because not a lot of products have like SPF and a moisturizer in one. Don't say I didn't give you guys the tips, okay? So I will then go to my favorite makeup products. Guys, I think I'm a bit torn with foundation. I don't know. So I will show you both. So I love this baby, absolutely love this baby, and I also love it too. So that's why I'm saying I'm really torn. So this is the Avon Power Stay 24-hour foundation. Cold, like, you know, I wish I could take like a crown and put it on top of her. Like, she deserves it. She will last you for about 24 hours, 100% super matte. It holds up to any humidity, any heat, so you won't sweat and your makeup melts and then it disappears. No, this baby right here is gold. So I absolutely love this foundation. And I'm the shade Caramel. Okay. This also, but I don't know. Like, that's what I'm saying. I'm so confused. So I use this now every day. I've just kind of like parked this. So I go to this one once in a while since I got introduced to this baby right here. But yeah, I love them both. I still don't know which one. Like, if I was told to choose, I wouldn't know how to choose or which one to choose. That's why I'm even showing you guys both of them. So this you get at the ARC store. There's one that's just launched in Sandton. This at avon.co.za, all right, or through a representative in your area. All right, and then just to use with my foundations, what I like using is this brush. It's number 102. It's Avon. It's an angled brush and it's dense. This is my favorite makeup brush. And it goes with, I can apply both of these really with this. Okay, and it's my favorite brush because it's dense. I mean, you know, I know a lot of people like, sorry guys, I have to lean because like my products are there. A lot of people would much prefer this for foundation, but I feel like this just makes my foundation like streak, and it has a lot of lines and it doesn't really penetrate into the skin, whereas this one just gets in there because this is the motion I would actually just apply the foundation in. And I can use it for powder, foundation, concealer, everything, you know. I like using this just for like product application, but this baby wasn't here for now, so this is my ultimate favorite brush, guys, like my favorite product. You can contour with it, you can use blush with it, like you can do 10 things with this brush, and it's really that great. It's number 102 from Avon. Yay! Okay, my next go-to product. I feel like I'm a bit biased though. I think I am, because most of these products are like Avon. Is the brow showcase. My brow life has changed after I started using this actually. Oh guys, oh, ta-da! So it has like a medium, this is in the shade medium dark. Okay, so you have your medium brown and your dark brown and you have your highlighter. So there's a whole 1, 2, 3 as in where you need to actually use these 3 products. But this I just use like in the beginning of the brow to just give it that bit of a fade, because I don't want my brow to be too dark. And then the darker one obviously just to create an arc or anything like that, or towards the end of the eyebrow. And then the highlighter, I just pop it under my eyebrow. Or what I did the other day, I used it as an actual highlighter and it worked amazing, you know. Highlighter on the top of the cheeks there, cheekbone, tip of the nose, bridge, cupid's bow, collarbone. Yay, your go. Brow showcase. And they have 2 shades in this, but the one I use is the medium dark. My other go-to product, okay, I'm no longer feeling biased anymore, is this baby right here. Alright, I absolutely love this nude palette from Huda. This palette right here is very, very versatile. You can use it for brides, you can use it on yourself, you can use it like as every day. I will open it just now so that you guys can see. You see, there's like glitter, there's like nudes, and it has a mirror. So I will just do that for you guys so that you don't see my set. It almost fell. I don't want you guys stealing ideas from my set. But I love, love, love this. Also this from the ARC store in Sandton, just recently launched. This baby right here is amazing. Sure, I think I actually use it on every bride of mine. When I do a bride, this is my go-to palette. Like these colors here are just insane. Especially like you can see which ones I use the most. That and this is my ultimate favorite. The Avon Instant Lift mascara is my go-to mascara. Mainly because, I like the brush. You know, it kind of just gives you that wide eye lift. It's been a long day, guys. I've been looking for this brush all over, you know, up until I met this baby. You can just use it for any kind of lash. Even like those small lashes at the bottom, this baby right here goes. And it's super black. And look at that. And I love the angle as well. You can really just pop it in anywhere. Are you guys agreeing that I'm a bit obsessed with the brand? No? I think I am. So guys, I'm really confused. My last product is lippies, like glosses. I'll do this quickly. And then I'll come back to this. I'm sure if you guys have been watching the Avon YouTube series called Behind the Beauty, you can actually just tell how much we are obsessed with this lippy right here. This is the Fruity Lip Gloss. Thick Leonce loves this. If you saw our episode, she is obsessed with this. Obsessed, super obsessed. And so am I. It smells amazing. You just want to eat it. Guys, this is a strawberry drizzle. You're getting your money's worth. I kid you not, you're getting your money's worth, you know? For the girls that love gloss, or if you're just wanting that no makeup look, and you just want to pop your gloss on, this is it. I know there's people that cannot do a matte lip, they prefer gloss. This is it. And it comes in, I think, 12 or 13 shades, but just to be precise, I will drop it in the description box. So this is not the only flavor, but I just love this one. I think I'm actually going to send out a few to you guys if you hit me up, okay? Only if you hit me up. Okay, my last and final product is the Lip Maximizer from Dior. I think this lippy because it's when you apply it, your lips just immediately tingle. Ooh, doggy, the comparison girls in my complex, like so excited. I think they're getting also, like I said in the previous video, excited. Getting tips and tricks. School, I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, she's gone. But this, it's very, very hydrating because it has a hyaluronic acid, you know. Yeah, so I think I like this. I gravitate towards this baby just because of that. It plumps my lips. It has a bit of shimmer. I think I put this on a lot actually. That's why I was saying I'm a bit confused between the two. But I mean this, obviously, because you know why. And it's inexpensive. So yeah, but I mean I have like both of these in my bag all the time. So it's just a preference thing, but it's the same thing. Okay guys, and there we have it. Just a few of my favorite products, but things, or rather products I rather cannot live without, are these ones right here. So yay. I hope you guys got a few tips and tricks when it comes to that. But otherwise, please do like, comment, share, subscribe. I know T1 Konje, yes, the draw. But like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know I'm new in these streets, in the YouTube streets, okay? So please don't be too hard.